Big Cartel is a user-friendly platform designed for artists and small businesses to create online stores. Here's a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Sign up. Visit bigcartel.com and click on Start your free trial. Fill out the required information to create an account. Choose a plan. Big Cartel offers several pricing plans, including a free option for small stores. Select a plan that fits your needs. Select a theme. After creating your account, browse through the available themes. Pick one that aligns with your brand, then customize it using the Design tab. Add products. Go to the product section and click Add the product. Fill in product details, including the name, description, price, and images. You can also manage inventory here. Set up payments. Navigate to Settings, Payment to connect your payment processor like PayPal or Stripe, enabling customers to complete purchases. Customize your store. Use the Settings menu to configure shipping, taxes, and store policies. You can also connect your domain name if you have one. Launch your store. Once everything is set up, review your store and click Launch to go live.